Hello friends, this is Badal again. Today I shall talk about Ozymandias. It comes in CBSE Class 10, second summative. This is a sonnet written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. Structure of the sonnet. If you talk about the sonnet Ozymandias, this is actually in Petrarchan sonnet style. There are total two types of main sonnet styles. There are other types of sonnet styles even. We have got Spenserian sonnet and other types of sonnets. But basically, we find sonnets of two types. That is Petrarchan sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet. This is even called as English sonnet. However, Petrarchan sonnet has got 14 lines. The same thing is there even in Shakespearean sonnet even. There also we find 14 lines. But in Petrarchan sonnet, we have got stanza divisions a bit different than Shakespearean sonnet. In Petrarchan sonnet, we have got 8-line stanza and a 6-line stanza, total 14 lines. The first 8-line stanza is called as octave, and the last 6-line stanza is called as sestet. And I must tell you that the ninth number line is called volta, meaning that there is a change. Ninth number line is called volta, and it brings a change in the theme or meaning in a sonnet. And we have got the sonnet in Petrarchan style in iambic pentameter. What is iambic meter actually? Iambic meter, iamb, this is called as 1 foot or this is called stressing point. In iambic meter, generally we find an unstressed syllable following a stressed syllable. That is unaccented first and then accented. Suppose if I take the example of da dum, da dum. First unaccented, less forced, and then dum, more forced. So this is iambic style. First one is unaccented or unforced, and second one is accented or forced one, whatever it is. This particular sonnet style is actually widely used. Various poets have used this sonnet style, and Italian poet Petrarch actually used this sonnet style at first, and that is why the name has come as Petrarchan sonnet style. And if we talk about the rhyme scheme of the sonnet Ozymandias, we shall find here in the octave we find A B A B A C D C, and then in the sestet we find E D E F E F. Apart from these things, we have got a lot of other figures of speeches used there in the sonnet Ozymandias. We shall discuss about those even when we come into detailed explanation of the sonnet.